To add Robinhood to an authenticator app, you will need to have a Robinhood account and an authenticator app installed on your device. The authenticator app generates a unique code that changes every few seconds, providing an additional layer of security to your account. First, open the Robinhood app on your device and navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication option and select it. You will see a prompt to set up two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. Select the Authenticator app option and you will be presented with a QR code. Open your authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, and select the option to add a new account. Choose the Scan QR code option and point your device's camera at the QR code displayed in the Robinhood app. The Authenticator app will now generate a unique code that you will need to enter into the Robinhood app to complete the setup process. Enter the code and confirm that you want to enable two-factor authentication using the Authenticator app. Once you have completed the setup process, you will be required to enter the code generated by the Authenticator app every time you log into your Robinhood account. This provides an additional layer of security and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. It is essential to keep your Authenticator app and device secure to prevent unauthorized access to your Robinhood account. Make sure to use a strong password and enable any additional security features available on your device and Authenticator app. By following these steps, you can add Robinhood to an Authenticator app and enhance the security of your account. Remember to always keep your account and device secure to protect your personal and financial information.